Hey guys, you got the old Mongo Man at you here on the way home from work Friday afternoon. Saw this along Route 18 on the way home over here near, I don't know what this is over here, Star Lake Amphitheater, whatever you want to call it. But I wanted to have a little conversation real quick about the state of the boat market today. What we have here, if you believe this, is a 1984 Sea Ray. Ran when started, needs starter to run and other work as is, was winterized properly. Ever trailer, tighter for both, $1,800. So what we've got, the interior of this boat, smells just like an old boat should. 1984 Sea Ray. It's got the 3-liter GM engine in it. It has an Alpha 1 Air Cruiser outdrive. But one of the first telltale signs that it's going to have issues is that there's water down inside of here, and there's no cover on the back of the boat here, so it's been allowed to get water in it. But yeah, they want $1,800 for this one. Doesn't look like a bad boat all told. Pretty sharp, little 18-footer. But that's kind of where it's at today. All right, just wanted to share that with you guys, just so you knew where we were at. Talk to you soon. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You got the old Mongo Man back at you here this evening. If you're not familiar with the channel or what we've got going on right here, I am the Mongo Man. This is the Mongo's Garage. That is Phoenix, a 1989 Horizon 200. Right now, Phoenix currently is gutted. Motor's out, outdrive's out, gimbal's out, floor's out. We got to get in there and get more of that floor out of there and get it cleaned up so we can get things ready to put back together. All right, so come along with us, check it out, and we'll talk again when we're done. Question is it videoing today? Yes. Look at that, it's a miracle. I did something right. Vroom, vroom. All right, Phoenix. What do you got to give me today, huh? Some more pieces of your transom? Got a couple more blades I can cut you up. Get this garbage out of here. All right, YouTube, got the old Mongo Man here. It is now 9:30 Friday evening. As you saw, I got everything out of the transom. It's all gone. And I've spent about the last half hour gnawing away at what was left of some of these stringers. I'm going to continue to do that here for a little while anyway. I'll turn around here so you can see me, right? So yeah, I'm going to continue to do that here for a little while. Phone's just about dead, so I wanted to stop before I lost all the video I took tonight. So I figured I'd do an early wrap up and then continue on working. And then tomorrow, there probably won't be a video unless I find something to video. We're actually going up to Amish Country, Ohio tomorrow. I am going to pick up that final drive, lower end. I keep calling it a final drive. Forgive me, I'm from the heavy equipment world. The low end out drive, lower bottom end, I don't know, whatever you call it. The gearbox, how about that? I'm going to pick that up tomorrow, and then hopefully going to do some antique shopping and just some stuff like that. So, all right, that's all for tonight, guys. I'll go ahead and finish up in here, put the video together, put it up so you guys can see it, and then like I said, tomorrow there may or may not be a video. All right, the Mongo Man is out. See you later.